like we're not trying to verify our hydraulics, right?
No. What do you want? Just curl it up a little bit. Yeah. And then when I lift it up, it'll see before it tips over. And it avoids short down again.
I totally agree.
All we want to do is go forward and go back, because the back is where it relieves. So just forward.
I don't have to crouch anymore. God.
Just open up a little bit. Just a little. Go all the way. Okay. Alright. Now just, touch the handle at all.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm going to move up.
You're beyond.
No, he wants vertical the other way. That's good, you're vertical.